In today's video, we are going to show you how to pay a Booking.com invoice, which is super helpful for partners, property owners, or hosts who need to settle their commission invoices. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure to go to the admin.booking.com. You will be forwarded here. Now, all you have to do is access the Finance tab, because here you will see all of the invoices and payments, outstanding invoices, paid invoices, due dates, and amounts. Here, you can download your invoices and other documents. Like for example, if you're looking for the documents of properties the group currently owns, based on the checkout month, you can do that. But of course, it depends on the number of files you have. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Okay, if you want to have a summary of documents or all documents, you can do that by clicking the generate button. Super simple, right? And once it's generated an invoice for you, all I have to do is complete the payment, enter your payment details, and of course, once successful, you should be able to see a payment confirmation message and the invoice status has been updated to paid or processing. And again, remember, you have the ability to download your invoices and other documents here. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.